Blow na ng cake.
Blow na.
Happy. Ang bilis naman ng blow ng cake. Isa pa, wala na. Ang bilang, tingnan nyo. Look at your cake, Becca.
Oh. Mari blow sa isa.
Ready? Happy birthday. Very good. This is our meal for today, Caldereta.
Ako ang unang titikim kasi
Beb.
matagal sila.
Chicken. Oh, wow.
Baaw lang
Kain na tayo. Wala siya.
Manonood siya dyan. Bubuksan niya bukas.
Happy birthday to you. Daddy, ba't mo si Becca?
Happy birthday, Rebecca! May you have more birthday to come.
Birthdays to come.
Ha?
Birthdays to come.
Birthday to
Baba.
come. Just one.
Happy birthday, Becca.